We got the 2020 Dodge Ram Bighorn. A little different setup today, guys, only because the customer came in, he already had his resonators removed. He already had these matte black tips. Right there on the floor is a Flowmaster system that he had, but today he's like, I want a little bit more noise, so I want to remove the Flowmaster. So the Flowmaster was right here where the stock muffler used to be. So we just removed that, guys, replaced it with the 3-inch pipe, welded it all up, and he's good to go. The drone might be a little bit more, but it will be sounding a lot more aggressive. So we're gonna bring it down and let you hear it. Guys, check out the links in the description. Also, if you want tips or any exhaust system shipped straight to your door, go to gexhaust.com. All right, we're gonna bring it down for you and fire it up.